This is how a Pinacho ML lathe should be anchored to the floor in a free position. Conventional Pinacho lathes are equipped with special steel platens. The platens must be aligned with the centers of the leveling points. The distance between tightening devices is specified in the technical manual of the lathe. Anchor the platen with bolts on a strong foundation base, which can be the floor of the place of installation. Lift the machine from the floor and fit leveling devices into each leveling point from below. Once this is done, we will fix the locking nuts on each rod of each tensioner of the lathe. Gently lower the machine onto the platen that has been fixed on the floor until it matches the bases of the rods of each tensioner. Finally, we will weld the base of the tightening device to the plates. The lathe is ready to be leveled.